won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Witch Reviews. Today we're looking at a Rolex that I have. This is the oldest watch in my collection. I've had this since I was at work, my first job, so it comes in the older style watches. That picture there was a limited edition Tissot that I had that I've now sold because I made a profit on that. But as you can see in the helmet, it has different discs for all the tracks. So this was quite a nice watch, but as I say, I've sold it now. So this is the old Rolex box, or style boxes. And they used to come out like that with the wood in. And this is the two-tone Submariner. Now I paid about £2,500 for this back in 1990, and the last time I had it valued, it was valued at £12,000. So obviously for insurance purposes, it's insured for that. And that is the watch itself. Obviously being an older style, it doesn't have the Rolex around the inner bezel as the original ones do. But yeah, I have worn this for special occasions. It's quite a weighty watch, obviously being a Rolex, it's got some real weight to it, but it's really nice. I mean, look at that quality there. As I say, for a watch now that's 1990, very old, 30 years old now, and it's worn well as well. You know, it's not, obviously this is 18 karat gold, so that's not gonna wear, but it's really nice. My stone fell out the top, or the oyster fell out, but I can get a new one, I was told, so it's not too bad. Obviously being an automatic, you just shake it, and there you go, it's starting to sweep. This is, you know, I haven't worn this for about 10 years, I would have thought, and it hasn't been serviced, which probably does need doing. I just like the sweeping hand on that. It's got the old style clasp. The new ones you don't, and the new ones that I've got doesn't have this clasp anymore. They slide, so you don't actually have to take any links out. And there's the Rolex in there. As you can see, it's really worn well. Still got all the nice quality build to it. They should do, you know, they should last a lifetime, hopefully. Yeah. It's not one that I'm going to sell anytime soon, obviously having it 30 odd years now, so it's not one that I'm going to be getting rid of. But yeah, this is probably one of my favourites, and for me to hold on to something for 30 years is pretty good, I think. So that's the Submariner Rolex. So if you'd like any more Rolexes, I've got 3 others, originals, that I will do a video on. So that's the watch. So thanks for watching, and come back for more in the next few weeks. Thanks very much, and goodbye.